I'm gonna disassemble this block to see why my WRX smoked so bad when I got it. And then I'm going to open this cam sprocket that I replaced. It fixed an issue I was having, but I wonder if cleaning it would have been good enough. There we go. Nice little slot there. I suspect just for this. This is the one. Look at the rings stuck, probably from not doing oil changes, who knows, but yeah, it's supposed to look like this. See that? Yep. Maybe I can reconstruct all the rings from this. Look at that. Yeah, but this one is completely shot. And of all the bearings, this is the one from that cylinder right there. It is a bit scored. Now, all of them look, to be used, worn a bit, but I didn't have any knock or noise that indicated they were on their way out. But on this one, a different kind of wear and a different kind of damage than on the others. Yeah, right there. But funny enough, the crankshaft looks okay. Never noticed this before. That is RTV. Oh. Is that all of them? All right. Washers. Maybe one day I'll rebuild this. There are signs of, signs of wear that I think are excessive. You be the judge. Like that. I don't think it should look like that. But this was never the issue. It's crazy what happens to O-rings. Oh, that one's completely stuck. Yeah, it was completely stuck. And these fragments were either in the oil pan or the oil pickup. Let's see if I can put Humpty Dumpty back together. Yeah, there's gonna be no putting that back together, but maybe that's where all this came from. And also, out of curiosity, I wanted to take apart a cam sprocket. Stab my daggone finger. I got a band-aid, but look, I got it out. I'm glad it didn't shoot too far. Oh, look. Now we gotta make sure we know where that goes. I think it goes there. Yeah, I think that's where that goes. That goes there. These parts are really cool. Let's see, does that go through here? Yeah, so that being plugged absolutely could have caused my issue. Good to know. Good to know. And that's as far as I was willing to go, so I put it back together.